Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make a paper ladybug. So let's start. The materials are markers, googly eyes, glue, scissors, and colored papers. So let's start. First, let's make a leaf. So first, fold the paper and cut along the fold. Get a marker and draw a leaf pattern on it. You can make it any size you want. Not exactly this size. You can also add a stem to it if you like. Now cut it. Now let's make a brown leaf. You don't really have to make 2 leaves. You could also just make one so that it looks like a ladybug sitting on one leaf, like this. Do the exact same as what you did in the first one. Cut it again. Now let's attach the 2 leaves together. Now it's time to make the head of the ladybug. Fold a thin strip, almost 1 inch. Fold it. Make sure one of them is shorter and the other is longer. Then cut it. Then curl it. Then glue it together. Do the same with the other one. The smaller one is the head and the bigger one is the body. Now let's glue it on the leaf. It makes sense to put it on the green one. Then let's glue the other one at the back. Now let's glue the googly eyes. So get a circle and trace around it. Then make dots on it. When you're done, cut it out. Then fold it, then cut it. Now let's glue it to the ladybug. You might want to hold it for a little while. Just let it dry. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked it. Please feel free to subscribe. Bye!